Hey guys, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we are showing you guys how we make one of our favorite vegan Lebanese salads.
This is one of our favorite restaurants that we love to go to in Oakville. It's a Lebanese restaurant and it has just an amazing variety of delicious things. So we thought we would share kind of our version of a salad that we had there for lunch the other day.
Yeah.
Which we do a lot. We like to replicate.
Yes, we do like to replicate. So we just thought we'd share that with you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing how we make our vegan Lebanese salad, keep watching.
So the first thing you want to do is make your buckwheat. And it's very simple. Just follow the instructions on the package. But basically, it's just like making rice. So 2 cups of water, 1 cup of buckwheat, you're good to go.
Yeah, so we're adding about 1.5 cups of buckwheat here.
So we're just gonna pop that in
to our bowl. Then the next thing you wanna do is add some chopped up baby kale. So this has already been pre-washed, chopped up organic baby kale. So we're gonna add in a little bit of that. I would say 1/2 cup to 1 cup of baby kale.
1/2 cup of red cabbage. And I'm just gonna make it pretty and put it over here on this side, which is what they did at the restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after you add in 1/2 cup of red cabbage, you're going to want to heat up some green and red peppers on your stove. So just cook them for a little while in some olive oil so they get soft. I'm gonna add in about 1/2 cup again of some lightly cooked vegetables.
Yeah, we're trying not to have
a big bite to it.
Yeah, there's no big bite to it, so it's not gonna crack your teeth. Not that red pepper or green pepper would crack your teeth, but you don't want it to be hard.
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna throw in some cucumbers, which everybody has in their kitchen, and again, just on the side here to make it look pretty.
And then we're gonna add on some sliced avocado, because who doesn't love avocado?
I wanna caramelize some onions on the stove, which we've done, and then just add it to the salad on top. Caramelized onion really gives it lots of beautiful flavor.
Yes, it does. And then after that, we're going to add in some sliced up apples. You want to make sure that your apples are chopped up like matchsticks. And you're going to want to add on some chopped walnuts. This just adds a little bit of a crunch to the salad. They don't actually do this at the restaurant, but we love walnuts, so we're adding some in.
It's a great way of getting protein, right?
Yep. So you're gonna want to use, and I'm totally gonna butcher this, a samyak vinaigrette.
Which I could not find at the store, so we
Yeah.
had to improvise.
It's a recipe online for the sauce, so I'll link that down below. But it basically is olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, garlic,
Maple syrup to make it sweet.
but we'll link the recipe for the sauce down below, so we'll just pour some of that onto it right now.
And I would drizzle it. I would eyeball it. You don't want to soak the salad.
Yes. And voila! You have your vegan Lebanese salad. This is one of our favorite things to eat and make.
You'll really impress people with this because it's so flavorful and there's so much texture and different things in here that you can't go wrong.
So thanks Maros for having awesome vegan food at your restaurant. We're gonna go dig into the rest of the salad now, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.